How you doing?
What's up, bro? How are you?
Good, good, good.
Hey,
How about
JP.
you?
Good.
Hi, Amir. Doing great, thanks. You?
Good.
Did you get a chance to watch some of the modules, Amir?
Yeah, I finished the module 5.
Nice.
So all of them. I think you added a new one, right? Like the retargeting.
Yep.
That's the new one. Yeah, I just started that today. I was almost done for that one. I just have a question. Like, what is retargeting exactly? Like, I was trying to understand. Like, is it like something like we do down the road, or?
Actually, you can start right now. It'll be really effective. So what it is when, for example, someone clicks on your ad, but they don't give their information, you're going to be able to stay in front of them for like a year and a half.
Okay.
Meaning like, like for example, if you, I don't know, you browse some shoes online.
Yeah, as always
buy them.
pops up on the
Yeah.
They're like they're always listening.
Exactly. So that's the concept.
Okay.
That's the
Yeah,
concept.
even on your website, actually, if someone actually goes to your website, so it keeps tracks on it.
Yeah. Did you get Amir, do you know if you have your pixels installed on your website?
My pixels?
Yeah, it's like a piece of code.
Yeah.
No.
Okay.
Probably
I
not.
don't wanna say anything. I sound dumb or something, but
Got it. Yeah, maybe you can send that to your guy for your website. Yeah, if you want to share your screen, I'll show you what you can send him.
Yeah. Share
You can basically
screen.
send him like two things: the Facebook pixel and the Google one.
Okay.
Go on Google Ads. Hold on. Yeah.
Oh, there we go.
Did you already created your business manager for Facebook, by the way?
Not for Facebook, no.
Okay. Yeah, so we'll do the Google. So if you go to tools and settings, and then conversions. Oh, hold on. Go back to tools and settings, please. And then go to Google global site tag right here. Yeah. And then click here.
Okay.
And then you can send this to
The website guy.
Yeah. You can just basically literally copy and paste this line and put that in the email just in case, but he should know.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
And then if you go back to tools and settings, audience manager. And then do the plus sign. Website visitors. And then call it all website visitors. Okay, cool. And then put your website right here without the www, just your website like .ca. Yeah, cool. And then
oh no, I thought that was the ad. Okay.
Yeah. And then go to pre-fill options.
Here. Okay.
Yeah. Okay, cool. That's good. And then membership duration. Just change it to 540 days.
Geez. Okay. Oh, 540. Okay.
Cool. And then let's just go back to the name. We'll just put like 540 days. Like you can push like dash 540 days. Yeah. Okay, cool. And then if you scroll down, create segment. Cool. So that will be one of the audience that is already created for the retargeting. And in the module that I added, basically, you'll see other audiences that you can create based off your YouTube as well.